vividly for like the possibility of assuming their conversion goes well, right? And so they're working on like the assumption that in a few years they'll be Jewish, or in 10 years they're not putting a time frame, right? But say they give tzedakah for the neshama that may be. Is that allowed? Like giving tzedakah.
I see the question.
Pardon?
So, I hear your question. It's a very interesting question. So the thing is, the question is actually asking the Talmud. What if a person gave tzedakah with or he declares, right, that I want to give tzedakah in the merit of recovery of my son, right? And if he does not recover, I don't want to give. So if he gave tzedakah and then changed his mind, well, what is going to happen? Right? So our sages say that if he gave tzedakah and said, I'm going to give tzedakah in the merit of recovering my son, and then even if son dies, he does not do anything, so he's tzaddik, because he gave this for the sake of the mitzvah, but he had ulterior motives. So even he had ulterior motives, the only reason he gave the tzedakah was for his son recovery. So our sages say there is no problem. He is still a tzaddik, and it's count him as a mitzvah. And with tzedakah in other mitzvahs, so we have to understand there is it's not only money. It's actually we creating opportunity for Hashem to give us like merits. So he has to give us good. He wants to give us good, but based on the merits. If a person does not have any merits, why should he give any good to that person? You understand? Because he calls himself a righteous judge, true judge, right? His stamp is emes, is truth. Like why would he give somebody like who does not deserve, right? But when we perform the mitzvah, we put ourselves in different level than somebody that deserving. And then Hashem would, of course, he is going to interfere with whatever needs to be interfered and help us with our life, with our situations, for sure. So is it, if a person gives tzedakah and says in the merit that I'm going to, let's say, get converted, get recovered, so you can say that, and it could be counted toward that. But Hashem decides anyway. So even if you just give, and you say that Hashem, you know what, I gave because I like the Jewish nation, I like them to come close to you. So maybe it would be even better. You understand? Don't be so selfish and give like because of this. And some people on Rosh Hashanah, they're going to give the big numbers because everybody's going to hear. But when they say we need to fix the roof, so everybody quiet, like they broke. Right, because it's not going to be announced, or it's going to be announced, but I mean, not everybody is going to be there. Maybe on Shabbos, but on Rosh Hashanah, when you announce, like everybody there. So what could be better? So, whoa, he gave so much, really? Psh, unbelievable. So, of course, you can give in the merit of whatever you want, and as we said, our sages said that person is a tzaddik. Is it going to help you? I mean, it's going to help you in general. For sure, you and me, everybody, like all of the mitzvah, whatever good you do, it's not wasted. Just remember, even like we try to help somebody, and and the person was not receptive. This good intention, that's our energy, our effort, it went somewhere. When it went, Hashem is going to decide how to use this energy. But it went from you out, and it's going to be used for sure. Not with this person, with another person, does not make any difference. It will.